Okay, so why should you care about cyber liability and data breach protection? Why does it matter? Very simply, these things are not the concern of big business. We're not talking about the Targets and the Capital Ones and the Experian of the world that are huge companies that have been in the news for having a data breach or a ransomware or cyber attack where there was a problem for them and their clients and customers. The FBI has estimated that there were 800,000 cyber incidents in the US alone in 2020. And the alarming statistic for me is more than 30% of those incidences were perpetrated against small business owners. People like you and me watching this video right now. Now, this is not just a small event because we're talking about potentially an existential sort of crisis. The average expense of one of these cyber incidences is $416,000. And you might be thinking, oh, hold on a second, that's a really big number, especially for a small business that may only have, a few hundred or a few thousand unique records in their system. Because one of the big things that we are concerned about as risk managers, as insurance representation for our clients, is not just the actual clients, because when you have a data breach, all of your records are exposed or dangerous, potentially exposed. So whether someone's records were taken or not, you still have to notify them. You still have to provide credit monitoring for them for a certain period of time. You're still going to have a lot of these expenses for regulatory fines and penalties, whether you know for sure that data was taken or not. You're going to have a lot of expenses on forensic investigation, digital forensics as it's commonly referred to. So when we look at how to prepare, how to plan for a potential future cyber event, we're talking about things like credit monitoring, forensics, incident response counsel or consulting, legal advice, PR, reputation management, crisis response, and system restoration, and indirect expenses, including lost business income. All of these things are wrapped up in the total expense of an average cyber event. So, as we end this first video of our series, this is the more high-level introductory why should you care. Go ahead and watch the next video that's going to be talking specifically about certain coverage items that need to be in your program that are often missed. So we'll go ahead and wrap this video and hit the next one. Thanks for watching. Life is risky. Risk well. We'll see you soon.